up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you this wig that I had ordered, or I think I ordered. Y'all, I do not know. Literally, I tried to go back and look. I know I got it from AliExpress, but it's not in my history. I'm guessing I ordered a wig and this is just what they ended up sending me. But yeah, it's a like orangish ginger deep wave 18-inch frontal wig. It came with lashes and a wig cap, and this is just what it looks like. This is how the inside, the cap, and the lace. It comes with an adjustable band in the back. You can't take it out, but you can adjust it, and then they also have the regular ones at the back. So this is the wig straight out the pack, put onto the mannequin head. I haven't done anything to it yet. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually hot comb the hairline and pluck it just a little bit, just because I'm not going to be bleaching any knots just because it's 613 colored hair. I feel like that's kind of pointless. You could of course tint the lace, tone the lace, you know, you could do what you want to do, to be honest, but me personally, I just go ahead and just go straight into flattening out and straightening out the hairline so I can see it a little better, see what we're working with, and just go into plucking. So after flattening out the front, I tried it on so I could see how this color looks on me, y'all, because I'm just like, this is not gonna be it. So I just needed to see. Alright, y'all, so I'm not knowing how I'm feeling. The length is definitely, in my opinion, not giving 18. I literally have a curly wig that's like a 14-inch and it's a bob, and this is what it looks like. So this definitely does not give 18. Y'all, when I be ordering curly wigs, like wanting them to, like, you know, because first thought in my head was to do like a bang, and I was gonna perm rod it, like give me a little bang, you know what I'm saying, and then perm rod it or whatever. But I think what I'm gonna do is part it in half and then do some cute like ponytail styles in the front. I don't know, but I'm probably gonna get rid of this. I might be a little, who knows. Like I said, yeah, every time I look at this wig, I'm like, what made me, you know what I'm saying, like what made me do that? You feel me? What made me do that? Hot comment. It's a little bit. It might actually be cute. I feel like it's gonna lighten my face up a little bit. You know, I might need to go ahead and pluck it, especially if I'm not going to do baby hairs. So I don't know, I think it might actually work. I feel like I could finesse it, if nothing else. Okay, so I'm going to put her back on the mannequin, really go in this middle part, you know. I don't know. Maybe when I like wet it and stuff, it'll give me what I want. I actually like it being fluffy. Now I'm trying to figure out what I actually, not this way. I'll put on this side. If I actually would want it. No, I don't want it this side. We're gonna do a middle. We'll do a middle. I'm about to see. I was thinking about ponytails. This is cute. I mean, like, no. we're just gonna we're gonna stay with the middle part, keeping it down, see what that does. I'm about to work on the hairline and stuff. If you guys are interested in seeing like my full install process from beginning to end, I'm also not going to like, I'm not bleaching the knives, I'm not doing none of that. I'm not installing with glue. I'm just putting it on with the like a light hold product. That's it. So when I come back, I'm gonna have it finished plucking the little bit that I am gonna pluck. Basically ready to put on. I'm just gonna add my product that I have over here, which still we've been using it. All of the information is off of it, but it's the even holding gel. This is the extreme firm hold. So now I'm taking this Ruby Kisses makeup to see if it matches my skin enough, which really I wanted it to be just a teeny bit darker, just because I've learned that when you tint your lace like a shade darker, it actually makes it match like almost perfectly. So I just did that. Now I'm spreading it. I put a little bit on the wig cap. Really, you don't have to if you're not about to do a ball cap, but I did. And I put some onto the lace. So now I'm seeing how it's looking, and I'm cutting out the ear tabs. I think I had to cut the other one off camera. And it'd be hard for me to get a true middle part. It's like, even the wigs, the scalp of the wig must be having a moving scalp, because I'm telling y'all, no matter how many times I part this wig in the middle, on my head, on the mannequin, whatever, like, it just was not in the middle for real. I just had to keep going in and going in. And so y'all, in the front, I'm doing a little hairline where it's kind of like pushed back, but it's also pushed to the side, so you can have that little like volume sort of type little shape, like kind of like the M in the front or whatever. That's what I was trying to do, but yeah. And so yeah, so now we're getting even closer to the install process. So I'm just gonna go through now and cut up slits in the lace, so that when it's time to lay it down, it'll be easier. This is the Eben gel that you can use to apply your wig. It's the athletic one, I think, or Supreme. It's one of the two. But basically what I do is I put 3 layers, blow dry between each layer, and then after that 3rd layer I do a teeny bit of blow dry, but then I go straight to sticking it in. And you see, I'm putting it right into that gel and just really pushing it in. Even if a little bit of gel would like come through the lace, I didn't care. That's kind of what I wanted. I don't know, I would have a good hold. I could probably keep the wig on like 2 days minimum, 3 max, you know, without anything going wrong. And then to take it off. And this wig did last. I wore it, I think, the whole week of school, basically 3 days of school. And then on the 4th day I went ahead and took it off and just changed wigs. But yeah, I just went ahead and made sure that throughout the hairline was thoroughly pushed into my scalp and the lace gel. And then I'm just going through hot combing too and blow drying, so that I can then put the band on to let it finish like melting into my skin. While I'm letting the band sit and just do its thing, I'm going to go through and kind of damp the wig a little bit. I really wish that I would have like wet the entire wig, because I realized I didn't like it because the curls was not defined. It just was looking a mess. I was looking like I was gonna ask Holiday. Damn, what am I trying to say? I was looking like I was about to tell Holiday I got the bite. That's what I was trying to say. But yeah, I was just like, I don't know. I don't think I'm feeling it. I was trying to like keep wetting it and turning it different ways, shaking it, turning it. Just was like, I don't know how to feel. But I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just give it a chance. I'm gonna give it a chance. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna give it a chance. You know, I'm not gonna count it out just yet. So I just kept playing with it, seeing if I could find a way to like it. And I was like, you know what? I'm gonna add some mousse. See if some mousse can help. Spoiler alert, the mousse ain't save anything. The mousse ain't do nothing. So it was like, okay, there was no point in adding the mousse. Y'all excuse my son. Like, him and that damn tablet know how to piss me off. But yeah, so I just let that sit while I was doing that with the curls and wetting it, trying to get them to come. So now I'm about to go through and just cut off the excess lace using a eyebrow razor. So this is why I cut it in slits, so that I can kind of like just move a little bit by a little bit. So as you guys can see, it's already giving scalp. I'm just going through and making sure I'm cutting all the pieces that did not get glued down, unless I want to add glue to keep those pieces. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep doing that till I have all the lace cut off. And for the pieces that I did want to keep but didn't get any product, I just put a little bit of product on the back of the razor and then just use that to kind of tap it in and just let it air dry as I go ahead and cut the rest of the lace, because of course I'm gonna go in and do another melt. And so after a little gardening session, I'm back now, and y'all tell me this is not my hair. Tell me I did not just go and turn myself into a natural redhead. Like, the lace was lacing. I was like, this is some really good lace, y'all. Like, even my teacher, she thought that I went home and colored my real hair. She thought it was my real hair. She was genuinely like, how did you do that? Like, how you get it to look like it's coming from your scalp, baby? It's called magic. And I have it. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, I'm just going through, adding a little makeup here and there to make sure that it's blended. Again, going back in, giving me a new middle part, because of course, the middle part was not actually in the middle. So yeah, I kept hot combing and adding makeup and just doing the little final touches, hoping that I end up liking it. And I ain't gonna lie, I ended up being like, okay, the color isn't ugly. I feel like I would definitely like the color better if it was longer. Because if you know, I think I did a color, either this exact color or a color very similar for my birthday like 2 years ago, and it was really cute. It's just that it was long and it was like barrel curled. But yeah, so this is the final product, and I'm gonna let you guys just see. The lace is eating. The curls are cute. Like, as you can see, I'm looking at the back. I'm like, okay, maybe it's 18 inches because the very back of the bottom is like 18 inches. Everything else is not. But like, tell me this is not my hair. Look at this scalp. Look at this lace. Like, I wish I could tag the wig for y'all so that, you know, if you like this color and like this texture, you could get it. But AliExpress doesn't have it in my history, so yeah. But this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully I will see you in my next video. Comment down some wigs, some styles, some colors, some things that I should try, because I'm back into my wig era of YouTube. So yeah, let me know. But see you guys in the next one. Cinn signing off. Peace.
It's not my fault You've been lying, saying that I took away your peace. Drowning by yourself, now you wanna blame me. Like you have no options, I ain't take your options.